Amen. Hang on, boys. You guys are doing good, boy. You guys are doing good. You boys come by me here. I'll be goofing around. I'm talking to you boys. I'm talking to you boys. I'm talking to you boys. You get up right in here. Good. 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 You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Good. Good. Good boy. Good. Good. You guys are all good. 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 Good boy. So, we've got an exciting group of pups here. These are phenomenal males. All males right here. The sister went home yesterday. Now, these boys are a really, really good representation of our principles in breeding these old world dogs. And the capability of these guys is amazing. Like they're so good in all aspects. Everything about them is fantastic. Now they're an old bloodline, and I'm going to find out that you'll see the old bloodlines and the new bloodlines in the same litter, and they all carry the same blood. But what's happened, and I like to see it, is that whether we use Luna or Vida with Karu, because Luna and Vida are sisters, we keep the same genetic capability coming out of Karu, needed in those girls. And what's very cool is I can use those two girls and use Leaf, and the same genetic capability comes out, because those essence of the old world is in Leaf too. It doesn't matter which male I use. It comes out. And it's absolutely fascinating. When you look at that guy and that big silver guy there, they're different dogs, but they're brothers. They're identical genetics, but you can see how things just adjust a little bit. You guys got some snow, I think. That's a little bit of snow in there. Let me bring that snow over here. And you can play right here. You just play right here. Come right here. But dig around in this snow. Right here. Gracious, you're a good boy. Boy, you're a good boy, aren't you? What a good boy. So now, I have, this guy behind me, right here, is Carolyn's boy, that big fella right there. He's going home with Carolyn. And this guy with the orange collar is Josh. That's he's going home with Josh. This guy right here, this nice big fella. Those are magnificent big boys. They're amazing, and they're absolutely astounding. And Manny is getting one of these two, and the other family's getting the other one. I haven't got the names on these two. Well, I can't say as I can remember the names on Josh's either. You bring that up by me, buddy. There, that's a good one. You come where I can see you. Bring that up here so I can show you off. Bring that up here. Come up by me. And then we can see it. Come up here. What the heck you got here? Oh, it's a thistle. What are we chewing on a thistle for? You guys get up by me. Now what's very, very cool about this whole litter is that Karu was selected for me by they all talked it over. And they know what I do here. And they all got together and determined which male I should get. I didn't have any say. They know their lines, they know their bloodline. And look at how profound the choice was. It's just an amazing choice. Like he's matched up with our lines so flawlessly that it's uncanny. That's how good those master breeders are. And to get such a flawless set of pups over and over and over and over and over out of Karu with my females and different bloodlines all the way through. Unbelievable. Now, the breeders that have helped us before, of course, have made a lasting impact on the program too. But what's very, very cool is you can see that old preservation of that old blood working like crazy. It's so profound. And the other cool thing is all the instincts from that bloodline. All the instincts are there. So you get all this high focus on the handler. You get this ability to work with the handler. The ability to want to be by the handler. Even if it's just to tear its arm off. Yes, you are just like your dad. Maybe we should get you headed out, because my arm will be gone. You will just chew my arm off. You will just chew my arm off. You're such a good boy. Please. You're a good boy too. Oh, you're a good boy. So I am so proud of these guys. Oh, you're a good boy. So the people getting these dogs, boy, some seriously good dogs. Yeah, these are old world boys. Full instinct, big dogs. You guys are good. Jesus, you guys are good. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. You're a good boy too. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Jesus, you guys are good. You guys are good. Get up by me here. Quit goofing around. Good. Get up by me here. Don't be goofing around. Quit goofing around. I should have taken them out, burned off the energy, but that's okay. We're going. I was on the road yesterday, so they did not get a run yesterday, and it's early, so they haven't had a run yet today, but they're getting out. That's okay. They'll learn more if you burn this energy off right here for a few minutes, and then train. But what a phenomenal set of dogs. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Now, believe it, I got 3 right here with Tuba. She had 3 males. And I knew she was going to have them. I was hoping for a female. But she didn't give me a female. She said, you can just wait. So Tuba has 3 males right there. Beautiful dogs. Amazing dogs. And Letta's right here with the belly this way. So Letta's only a few days away. And 3 o'clock in the morning, Karu was screaming his head off last night. Oh my God. Making a racket. And I thought, what in the world? So I hollered at him. Karu, what's going on? He wouldn't quit. And it's just him. And I thought, something's up. So sure enough, I go out. Here's Paso and Rhea hooked up. And Karu, of course, being the stud dog that he is, he thinks he's losing out. So he was upset that Paso was in there, which Paso was supposed to be in there. So, Paso and Rio had a hookup last night. So that's pretty cool. Come up by me, you guys. Quit goofing around. Come on, get up here. Good. That's my boy. Get up by me. Get up here. Quit being so fast. Get up here. You guys are good, boy. This is what a great group of pups. Oh, smokers. Yeah, amazing fellas. Amazing. So yeah, I just wanted to cover these guys because they're going home right away and they are some unbelievable. What are you eating there, bro? Get up by me. Let me see. guys up closer. Can we get you guys up closer to the camera? I think so. I think so. I think so. I think so. Let's take these two out. You guys are going right away, so we're going to show you off. You guys just come by me here. Come right here by me. Look at these rock stars. Is that a pair of rock stars or what? You guys are flawless. They're flawless dogs, these boys. Your boys are wonderful. Your boys are flawless too. Your boys are flawless too. Your boys are flawless too. You're flawless too. You are a boy. You better come here, mister. You are flawless too. Look at you. You're a flawless boy. You're amazing, actually, you guys. You guys are amazing. They have no flaws. They're perfect in every way, these guys. Fascinating boys. Full instincts. Perfect conformation. Amazing dogs. You guys are good. You guys are good. You guys are good. Alright. Cody's got to get out because he can smell that female meat. I just brought him in.